Hi, this video is going to be for digital illustrators, and it's a color tip that I want to share with you. Sometimes we have tools that we use so frequently that we forget how useful and great they are. And I realize that maybe not a lot of people know about this tool, but it's an RGB to CMYK to Pantone converter, and you can find it online. It's very similar to, like, if you're going to go to a kitchen converter, if you want to translate cups and tablespoons, or if you go online and you're trying to find a translation converter. Well, there's many color converters, and it's going to help you take an RGB color palette and prepare it for print. So one great thing is that a lot of times as artists, we can start with our work on social media or online and then realize, oh, this artwork looks great, but now I want to take it to print. Well, if you take an RGB online color palette and try to print it, a lot of times the color will be duller when it's printed, or vice versa. If you take a CMYK color and bring it online, it can look a lot duller. So it's really important to have no questions when you're either online or printing. You want to know exactly what the color quality is going to be. So if your artwork is going to be online, it should be RGB. And if it's going to be printed, it should be CMYK or Pantone. So what you can do is Google RGB to CMYK converter. And one of my favorites is called dns.checker.org. And this website will let you drop in the RGB colors, hit the drop down menu for 16 closest colors, and this will give you the 16 closest colors in your Pantone book. So go back to your Pantone book. If you don't have one, I would highly recommend getting one. This has been like a lifesaver as an artist and creative person. But what you're going to do is you're going to go back and look through all the colors and see if you like any of them. Sometimes the checker won't spit back anything that's close within 16 colors. So you have to expand it to 32 colors. But you're going to go to your Pantone book, get the CMYK breakdown, and then use that in your artwork. This will ensure that the artwork, when it's printed, is going to be its best quality, and you know exactly what the color is going to look like. Now, if you need to take a CMYK or Pantone color and then put your artwork online and have it be super vibrant and look correct, you're going to want to take a CMYK to RGB converter. So these converters are going to really help you find the best color for the platform that it's going to be on. So test this out in your own work. I always think that having a lot of color preparation at the start of any project is going to save you a lot of headache in the long run. I hope you find this color tip helpful, and would love to hear if you have anything additional that you find helpful in your color process. So have fun and happy creating. Bye.